In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get eBay customer support to call you. Whether you're encountering issues with a purchase, a seller, or need more detailed assistance, connecting with eBay directly can often be much more effective. Follow these easy steps, and let's ensure you get the help you need. First, begin by opening your internet browser and navigating to eBay's website. Once there, you'll need to log into your account. Keep your login credentials handy so that this process is seamless. Logging into your account is crucial because it allows eBay to associate your inquiries with your account, making it easier to assist you. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the homepage for a link titled Help and Contact. It's typically located within the menu options. Clicking this link will direct you to eBay's Help Hub, which serves as a gateway to various support resources. Next, locate the Contact Us option. This will usually appear prominently on the Help and Contact page. Clicking here takes you closer to reaching an eBay representative who can assist with your specific issue. Keep in mind that eBay might prompt you to answer a few preliminary questions. These questions are strategically designed to guide your concern to the appropriate support avenue. Be sure to provide accurate responses as they help streamline your support experience. Following this, you'll notice an option to chat with our automated assistant. Click on this and you will engage with eBay's virtual support tool. While it might seem tempting to sort your issues entirely through this chatbot, remember our main goal is to speak with a real person. Utilize this assistant to request a direct conversation with a representative. You might say something like, "I need to speak with a customer service representative." The virtual assistant will then direct you to appropriate options for contact. After your request, you should be offered the option to set up a phone call with eBay customer support. Take advantage of this. Getting them to call you means you won't have to wait on hold, saving you time and potential frustration. Confirm your details, ensure your phone is charged, and be ready for when they call. By following these steps, you should have successfully initiated contact with eBay support. If issues persist, try reiterating your situation clearly and concisely to the representative, providing as many details as necessary to help them understand and resolve your issue efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your eBay experience smoother. If you found this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.